Hi everyone, welcome back to Techno Coders. In this session we'll be understanding about the VI editor. So we have different type of editors in Windows, right? You might have heard Notepad, Notepad++. Same way in Unix we have a VI editor. So VI editor came from the name Visual. So this is a command Visual in AD or EX editor. So the first two characters are taken as VI editor. So it derived from the word visual. Okay, let's see that how to create a new file. So just type the command vi and just say I want to create a test file 1.dat. So suppose if this file is already existing, so using vi it will open the already existing file. If this file is not present, it will try to create a file. See what happens as soon as I enter, you can see it's a new file here, right? So it is not existing. As soon as you connect into vi editor, by default you will go into the command mode. Okay, so what is a command mode? Command mode is a mode where you can type the commands in Unix, and that I will explain in this session. We will be understanding about that. So there are two mode in vi editor. You just understand we have only two mode in vi editor. One is command mode. So by default I am currently in command mode, and then we have an insert mode. So what is the difference between command mode and insert mode? So command mode, you will be typing some command. So example, you want to move the cursor using the command operator, or you want to copy the data or paste the data like that. Some command you will be using, or search, you want to search something, some word in the file. That will be in command mode. And insert mode will be typing something that will be taken as input to the input to the file. How to go to insert mode from the command mode? So you need to press in keyboard character I, okay, small I. See, as soon as I clicked on I, it came into the insert mode here. You can see insert. So now I can type anything here. This is a test file. Okay, now we understood that how to type something into the VI editor, right? Going into the insert mode. Now let's say I want to save this file or want to quit the file without saving. Let's say that I don't want this file, okay, or I don't want to save the content. So again I'm in insert mode. How I came? By clicking into the I, character I in the keyboard. So to go back to the command mode, press escape key. In the top left corner, escape key will be there. Just click once. So as soon as you click escape key here, you can see that my insert is gone here, right? Now it's blank. So I'm in command mode. So in command mode, so once you are in command mode, you can't type anything until it is that particular character is actually a command. Like example I, if I click I, it will come into insert mode, right? Or like S or some other keyword which are already part of command. Apart from that, you will not able to type anything here. Okay, now let's see how to save the file, right? Or quit the file. So first I will show you how to quit the file without saving. To come into the command mode, right? After that, I will be clicking colon. So shift semicolon, if you press, then it will take you to the colon here. So these are colons. It is just above the semicolon, like you can use shift key to type that particular stroke. Okay, so now once you click colon, the command will come here in the last, right? Now once you are here, you can type the command. So like example, Q is for quitting the file, okay, and W is for saving the file. Okay, now let's see that what happens if I only click Q here. In the current file I have a content, right, which I have not saved. Let's see that what happens without saving if you try to quit that file. So see here, no writes in last change, click exclamation mark to override. Okay, it means I have not saved anything. It's asking if you want to quit, you need to click on the exclamation mark. Let's see what happens. Q exclamation mark. I am overriding. See, I came out. Now, as I was telling you, right, this was a new file I created, but I have not saved any changes. So by default, this file will not be created. Right? File is not created. Now let's go back again. Try to create file one more time. Again, it's a new file. You can see here. I am currently by default in command mode, right? So from command mode, if you want to go to insert mode, I'm clicking I, small I. I'm in insert mode here. One more thing, suppose if you are confused, right, like example, you are in command mode and sometime by looking into I can say I'm in command mode because it's not showing as insert mode by default. But let's say that you are confused which mode you are. Just click escape key twice. You will always be in your command mode, irrespective you are insert mode or so. If you are aware that you are in command mode, good enough. But if not, then you can always click escape key twice. Okay. Now let's type something here in insert mode. Again, I'm typing this is a test file. Okay. Now what I will do, again I will go to command mode, click the colon. After clicking the colon, it will come here at the end. I will type W for save and Q for quit. Save and quit. Okay. Let's see what happens. So remember, if I can use only W also. So what this will do, it will only save the file here. It will not quit. Let's see with the example. I'm not clicking quit option. I'm just saying W. See here, test file 21 byte written. It means my file got saved. If I quit now, right, I can see the file is created. Okay. Now let me write one more line here for my testing. This is a test file line 2. Okay. Now again, command mode, colon, save, quit. Now let's try to open the file. Again, opening the file, I can use the view command. Okay. So by default, if I use view option, it will open the file into read mode. Okay. Which I already created. See that. First line I saved using W command, right? Second line I saved and quit using the WQ option. So it got added. And total size of the file is 47 byte. Okay. And my cursor is in current line 2. This is X and Y position here, 2, 25. So, and these tilde operator, right? These are the empty lines in the file. Okay. I hope this is clear to you. So VI to create a new file or open a file into edit mode, view to open a file into read only mode. Okay. And you can use the same view command using vi minus r also. It also works the same way. Like either use view or use vi hyphen r and file name. Let's see what happens. Read only. So same way like I open my file using the view command. I can open vi hyphen r as well. Both works same way. Okay. Now let's see how to move your cursor in the command mode. Okay. So for that, for demo, I already created some file. So I'm opening those. Vi test file move .dat. Okay. I already opened it. So again, I opened using view mode. By default, it's a read only. Okay. And I'm in command mode, right? By default, you will be in command mode. So now I'm placing my cursor into the X and Y position 1, 1. And now I'm moving my cursor to show demo into row number 2, position 6. Okay. My cursor is under E. So it is means my cursor is currently pointing to E, character E. Okay. Now let's understand this move command. So you know that when you are in insert mode, you can use your, arrow operator to move your cursor left and right. But sometimes you might have a requirement that you don't want to use, or somebody asks you what command you will use to move the cursor. If you are doing some automation, right, you are writing some code where you need to move your cursor based upon the letters, that also you can do here. So let's see with the example. So first I will be explaining you about K. So the K is move cursor up. So again, my cursor is currently in under E in row number 2. So I'm not using arrow operator now. Okay. I'm just using the characters in the keyboard. Okay. I'm typing K now. Let's see what happens. My cursor is currently E position. Okay. See, my cursor moved to one row above, right? So this K command will move the cursor up. Now I am in E position. The second command is J, move cursor down. So J will move cursor down. Now H, move cursor left. I am currently in E, I am using H. So it moved the cursor left. Now L, small l. Okay. So move cursor right. Okay, I hope this is clear to you how to move the cursor in the command mode. And again, Unix is case sensitive, so all these are in a small letter. Please be careful when you are typing any command in Unix. Now learn some delete command in VI editor. So again, I am opening my file in edit mode because here I am going to delete some data and show you for demo. Delete command.dat. So by default again I am in command mode, right? So I am going to the insert mode by clicking on I. Currently I am in insert mode now, you can see here. Now I am placing my cursor into 1,1 position. See, my cursor is here. Okay. So the first command is small x. Okay. Small x, delete the character under the cursor. Okay. Let me try to move my cursor in T. Currently my cursor is under T. Okay. Suppose I want to delete T character. Okay. Then I will be using small x. But see, currently I am in insert mode. I can't type any command here, right? So I need to go to command mode to type any command. Okay. See here. So now I'm in command mode. I'm taking my cursor to position T. Okay. Now my cursor is under T. Now let's see what happen if I click small x. See, T got deleted, right? That character got deleted. The next command is capital X. So this is delete the character before the cursor. Okay. Small x is under the cursor and capital X is before the cursor. See, my cursor currently in T position again, right? So let's see what happen if I click capital X. See, it deleted a character before the cursor. Okay, now let's understand DW command. Delete from the current cursor to the next word. So let's see that. Okay, so my current cursor is, let's say, under R. Okay, my current cursor is under R and my next word is starting with cursor. So what this command will do is it will delete till the next word. Let's see what happen if I type the command DW. DW, right? So it deleted till the next word, right? So whatever the character were there in the current position, so after R, E and T space, it got deleted and my cursor actually went to the next word, beginning of the next word. Okay, space also it deleted. So because space is also one character in Unix, right? So it deleted it. Okay. So now capital D command, delete the current cursor to the end of the line. See the difference between DW and D. So DW was till the next word, it deleted everything. Example, I was in this position and when I use DW, what it does it from here, R, E and T and space, it deleted. But capital D, what it will do is it will delete everything till the end of the line. So it means R, E and T cursor to end of the line, it will be deleted using this command. Let's see. Capital D. See that everything got deleted after that position, right? Yeah. Now go to the next command, DD. This is very simple. Delete the line on the cursor. So my cursor is currently in this line, right? If I press DD, it will delete whole line, right? Yeah, I hope this is clear to you. This delete command in the VI editor. Now let's learn how to copy paste in VI editor. So again, I am opening the file which I already created for demo. Copy paste command.dat. Okay, see here I already written some command yy copy the current line. So we call it yank, or you can say yy command copy the current line. P is to put the copy text below. Okay, what that means is if suppose my cursor is in line number 2, if I use yy command to copy and use small p command to paste, it will copy the text below. It means my text will be inserted below this line. Okay, and capital P, the next command, to put the copy text above. Okay, so if I use capital P, it will put the text above. Okay, let's see the demo. I went to insert mode and I'm typing something. This is line 5, this is line 6. Okay, just for demo. Now again I'm in insert mode, right? I can't fire any command, so I need to go to command mode again. So escape key, I'm in command mode. Yy copy the current line. Okay, copy the current line. Let's say that I want to copy the whole line itself. So my line is, let's say this is line 5 for my testing. Okay, so I am using YY command here. Again, I am in command mode, typing YY twice in small letters, small characters, YY. Okay, my text got copied. Now I am in line number 6. Let's see what happens if I try to write command small p. So again, small p means it will copy the line which I have copied after this current line, which is nothing but line number 7. Okay, let's see. P. See here. I copied the line number 5, right? This is line 5, and I use small p. It got copied in the text below that particular line where I fire the command. Okay. Now let's go back to this line again. I am again in line number 6. Now instead of using small p, I am using capital P. Now what will happen? So it will again copy the same text only, but it will copy above. Let's see carefully here. I'm in this line number 6. I'm typing command capital P. See here, it copied the line here, and my cursor is actually beginning of this line. This is my copied text, right? So this way, small p and capital P, you can paste the, or you can say put the copied text below or above the line, and YY option to copy the current line. This is a shortcut. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now let's see how to search a character or a string in the file in VI return. Okay, I'm already opening up for file I created for demo as EARCH file.dat. Okay, see here, just to show, I repeated some word here, like test. I repeated multiple times, test here, and capital test. See this small test, right? And this capital init cap test is different because Unix is case sensitive, right? So we need to understand that. And then I repeated it one more time here, and then here. So multiple time I have repeated the test. Now let's start the demo. Now / to search the string forward, and question mark is to search a string backward. What that mean? Let's so currently I'm in command mode only. I'm going to row number 1. Okay, start the beginning of the file, and as soon as I click on the / it will come like here, and now I can type any string I want to search. Like example, test I want to search. So by default my cursor came here in the first position of the string, which is test. Okay, now I have one more here. You can ignore this init cap, so it will not able to identify because I given the small letters, right? But there is a command also to ignore the cases that we will understand later, but in this it is not required. Just remember Unix is case sensitive. So here test one more test is here, then we have one here and one here and one here. So now after adding the command, it came here, right? But how to move forward, how to go next, actually where the next string? For that you need to press small n. Okay, small n. If you just type, it will take you this next character. Keep typing. Now it is here 3rd. Now it came here 4th. Now it came here 5. After that I don't have any string with the test name. So let's see what happens if I click small n. See here saying search hit bottom, continue at top. Okay, so again it came back in the beginning because after that we don't have any string to be searched upon. Now let's understand question mark. Again I am going to the command mode and typing question mark here in the keyboard. So as soon as I entered question mark, it came here, right? Now to start to search downwards, right? First you need to come in the last of the line. Let's say that. Let first me try to come into end of the line. I am here. Okay, my cursor is in end of the line. Okay, now question mark, try to search test again. See, my cursor is here, right? Now how to move up, right? Because I know that when I was in / I was using small n, right, to move down there. Same way when you are question mark, again use small n to move upward. Okay, let's see what happens. See, my cursor is going up. Okay, That's it. So search hit the top, continue at bottom. So I have started from here, I reached here. So this is how you can search a particular string very easily, and also you can search a particular character also using the same command. So example /, I want to search any string which is having first character as, let's say, B, okay, and next character can be anything. Dot operator you can use. Next character can be anything, and another next character can be anything, or you can give multiple like 1 2 3 4, okay, 5, and the 6 characters would be R, let's say. Now I want to search a word like this. Now what will happen as soon as I enter, it came here backward, right, backwards, because it found only one entry which is here. Okay, I hope this is clear. So dot operator also you can use to find a single character or a multiple string having a multiple characters in between. Okay, and small n is to move forward and backward, and capital N also. So what happens now, let's see with the example. When I'm in / right, if I want to find something, I will just say test. Okay, now if I click small n, I agree that my cursor will go to the next to search. But what happens if I click capital N, right? It will reverse the command. So / will become question mark for if I use the capital N. Okay, see, after that it became question mark. So don't confuse. Either you are using a / or question mark. You can always use small n command. If you are in / n will take you to the next word, and if you are in question mark command, it will take upwards with the small n. But if you want to reverse both, you can always use capital N also. So capital N will work a reverse way. Okay, just remember that. I hope this is clear to you. Now I will show you very important like a set command, which is sometimes very beneficial in VI editor. You might have seen multiple times. Okay, so let's try to open any random file, okay, for testing. So let's open test move only, test file move.dat. Okay, so here you can see I have 1 2 3 4 lines, right? Suppose I want to give a number to each of the line for my understanding, or want to read that code, right? So what I can do, go to the escape mode, write a colon operator. As soon as you click colon, it will come here, then say set and u. Okay, so it will set the numbers. Now you can see 1 2 3 4. Again, if you want to unset anything, right, say no nu. So it will unset it. So no command if you use, it will unset anything, whatever command you give. In same way, like if you want to ignore the case, I was telling you, right, when you are searching Unix is case sensitive. So you can say set IC, ignore cases. Now let's say what happened. I'm trying to search a string capital K or any character capital K. See, I found it, right, in the first position. Because I say ignore cases, small letter, capital letter doesn't work. But again, if I unset it, set no. Again, for unsetting, just use no, IC, no, ignore cases. I hope this is clear to you. Next command in VI editor, how to replace a particular character in the file. I'm just opening up test file. I just want to change line to current line. Okay, so what I will do, go to the command mode, click on small s, which is for substitute. Okay, / what you want to substitute, you want to substitute line, / line you want to rename as current line, and / if you want to replace globally text into multiple lines using global, it will change everywhere. If it is only one place, it will change that particular place. Okay, let's see what happens here. It is line here. I am saying substitute line to the current line globally. Okay, see that my string got changed, line became current line. I hope this substitute command is clear to you. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more content like this. In future, we'll be learning more about how to run a shell script, how to do coding in Unix, and how you can integrate your C and C++ using Unix.